Hey friends, welcome to this fourth assignment and we are talking about the strengths and weakness. Yes, why it is important sir and why we are including this in our resume. The more you know about yourself, more confident you become. So as a part of confident booster, this is very much necessary in strengths. If you are mentioning your strengths in your career objective as well as somewhere in the skills as well, it will make a large impact on the employer. On the other hand, if you are really curious how weak you are in certain areas, you can try to hide it up or give more emphasis to make it in your future to empower that area, and that area is no more your weakness. So that could be an agenda. So that's why it is there in our resume development program. Let's jump into the instructions. So honesty is the key. Just give which strengths are better. You can ask your colleagues, your friends, your relatives which are your strengths, why they are thinking that these are your strengths, and all these things should be there. And we have lots of strengths with us in case you are out of the list. So we will make that list for you and will be available on your website. Just click on the links in the assignment, so you will be having that strengths and weakness list. I must say 3 strengths are enough and 2 weaknesses are enough. So once you are enlisting that thing, just try to grab more attention on those 5 elements which we have listed here, and make sure that those strengths are reflecting in your resume and the weaknesses are being tackled by you in the background. So that's all about this assignment. In case you have any doubts, kindly comment.